What's up guys, Kevin here with a review on the classy manual release folding knife with holster. The holster here is pretty cheap. I actually use it just to cover up one of my better knives. It's pretty cheap, not really reliable at all. Anyway, here's the knife. It's classy manual release folding knife with holster. It's $7.50 and its SKU is 9199. They're temporarily sold out right now on Dealextreme. If I didn't already say, this is from Dealextreme. It's about 5 ounces and it's about 3 inches closed, and the blade is about 3 inches also. So as you can see, I've been using this quite a lot. It's lost some of its finish there. The blade is nicked up a little bit. No, it's not that bad though. And you can just sharpen that out. It's Tanto. It's pretty much Dealextreme just make knives, and they put whatever name they want on them. Some say Boker and some say Gerber. This is obviously not really Gerber, but I'm pretty sure there is a knife that kind of looks like this for a pretty big price. I think around $60 from Gerber itself. So it's has black aluminum scales, stainless steel liners. The scales get loose every once in a while. Gotta tighten those up. Has a lanyard hole there. You could easily fit about 2 strands of 550 paracord through there. Its pocket clip is tip down carry only on the one side. It does flip out pretty easy. I have not done anything to this knife. Keep in mind, I don't do anything to my knives until after I review them. So it has jimping up here. It has a ramp there, and it feels pretty nice. It's a liner lock. It's pretty hard doing it right in this small space. Yep. So there's no blade play. This is a really nice knife just to carry around. It's not really centered. I'm sure I can fix that. So I guess I'll compare it with a knife here. Spatical Chalkway. They're actually about the same size. The Chalkway is a little bit bigger. So should you buy this knife? Definitely yes. Anyway, that's my review on this classy manual release folding knife with holster. $7.50. Its SKU is 9199. Also, I'd like to add that it's not really in there sturdy. It moves around and stuff. The Velcro is pretty cheap, but I actually store the Chalkway in there when I put it away, just so nothing happens to the Chalkway, because that's my favorite knife. I do really like that knife, and I do suggest buying it. Just cheap nylon sheath there. So anyway, the sheath is not what matters, the knife is, and it's very nice, and nice black finish. Anyway, that's my review on this knife that I just dropped. And I'll see you guys later. Peace. Thanks for watching.